What is up, guys? It's me, Cordero. I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video to another Diana video, which she is singing a song called Snowstorm. Now, this is another amazing performance by her, and she's singing similar to the last one I did. So I was asked this one a few times, so I'm very excited to see it. So without any further delays, let's get to it. Just saying how deep her voice can go. Already? Like so quick, it was so quick. Voice is insane. I mean, come on now. How would you not want to? That was smooth. That was very smooth. They all did it. They're so into it. That was insane. Insane. Her voice always catches me surprised. I know I've witnessed a little bit of that deep voice singing of hers in the other video, but it's just like every time I hear it, it just blows my mind. That was out of this world. Like you saw how quick the judges pressed the button. Like before she was even close to finish with the song, all automatically just hit the buzzer. Like it was insane. It was crazy. I was told she had many other performances that really like highlighted her deeper tone that she sings, because she can sing like in a high pitch. Like you heard it, I know she went from deep to high smoothly, by the way. And I just can't wait to see more, honestly, because I heard she had hundreds of videos online, and she has like 100 million fans following her easily. That's how popular she is. That's how talented she is. That's how much people love her voice. And I'm telling you, someone did mention, like, if she were to like brush up on her English a little bit and she were to start singing, like, she would probably gain more traction, more fans from like other places around the world, like, you know, United States or United Kingdom, etc. But I totally agree. Like, she sang some like songs in English and she does a really good job. Like, it sounds amazing if you ask me. And yeah, it's a little bit of an accent, but it's still great. And I don't mind accents. Like I said, I enjoy her singing. She's amazing. Like, I obviously can't do what she can do. I can't sing. Anyways, guys, those are my thoughts on the videos. I really did enjoy watching her. I did enjoy listening to this song. It was definitely different from the other one. Even though she had a deeper tone, it was definitely different from the other one, because it was a different kind of song, a different kind of tone, different kind of vibe and feeling. Because like, I feel like this one really portrayed all the pain in her voice that she put towards the song, which really made the song like 10 times better, because she was able to put all her emotions into it But other than that, like I said, amazing, hands down, one of the best songs that she's ever did a cover on, and one of the best videos I've seen of her so far. And they're all great, don't get me wrong, but this is definitely on the top. I've seen 4 other ones, so this is the 5th one I've seen of her, and then this is definitely, I'd say, number 1 out of all of them. I really like this one. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like down below, hit that like button, smash it. Let's get it to, we're gonna set the goal to 100 likes. 100 likes we're gonna get it to. Also, comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. My favorite part of the video, like I said, which was just singing that low note, and she just smoothly turns into the high note. And it was just, that automatically got one of the judges to automatically press the button without even hesitating. And also comment down what you guys like to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to the best family on YouTube, the Cordero family. We're going bigger and better every single day. It's nothing but love and positivity. So why wouldn't you want to join this family? I say it every time at the end of the video. Subscribe. I'm telling you guys, will not regret it. And in other words, see you guys in the next video.